Panda. I got broads in Atlanta. Just to throw me in the family. Credit cards and the scammers. Hitting the licks in the band. Legacies.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I'm gonna tell you guys how to connect your WhatsApp with your PC, and you don't need to download another app for this. But before I tell you guys about this, make sure to subscribe to my channel and like my video. So let's get into the video. First, open your browser and type wait a minute, what the hell, man. Type WhatsApp web, click on it, here it is. Then go to your WhatsApp, click on this 3-dot settings and choose WhatsApp web, and when your camera pop-ups, just simply scan the code and it's done. Let me show you how. Here is one, like this. When you scan the code, it will appear here, and you keep your phone connected. Now you can text anyone, and then you can use your WhatsApp on your PC easily, and it's done. Now texting, sharing files and everything you want to. So this is the video, guys. Make sure to subscribe to my channel, like my video, follow my socials, and if you have any questions about it, join my Discord. I'm active there almost 24/7, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.